Hi, I'm Trent Van Ozen, partner with Cedar Point Capital Partners. Welcome to the August 2023 edition of Capital Insights. This month, we're returning our focus to retail sales data and what it might signal for the back half of the year. As you may recall from our February 2023 edition of Capital Insights, consumers account for nearly 2/3 of the U.S. economy, which is why investors and economists pay such close attention to retail sales data. One of the metrics for tracking consumer activity is the Johnson Red Book Index, which measures the change in sales at retail stores open at least 1 year. Take a look at Figure 1. With the data series going back to the year 2000, the blue line shows steadily increasing sales through much of the last 2 decades, with the obvious exception for historic economic events, the Great Financial Crisis in 2008 and the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. Now, if we focus our attention to the yellow line, we notice consumer spending has been trending lower since July of last year. So, what does this all mean for the economy? Well, we know the U.S. is returning to its pre-pandemic trend. That is marked by cooling job growth, manufacturing activity, and home sales. Another consideration, consumers have continued to shift their spending from goods to services in the wake of the pandemic. Think travel, concerts, and dining out, all of which are not accounted for in this data set. Finally, because the Johnson Red Book Index is not adjusted for inflation and the Consumer Price Index hit a 40-year high last summer, its 2021 spike and subsequent 2022 decline seemingly track inflation's recent rise and fall. The fact is, consumers remain fairly resilient even amid higher interest rates and ongoing recession concerns. Despite increasing credit card debt and decreasing private savings, consumer sentiment still sits near a 2-year high. The big question now is whether shoppers can continue to spend at these levels as we head into the holiday season. If you have any questions about this video or your portfolio, reach out and let's start a conversation. My name is Trent Van Ozen. I look forward to seeing you right here next month for our latest edition of Capital Insights. Stay curious, stay mindful of your goals, and we'll see you next time.